Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Zenless Zone Zero. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero application on your device and you will be asked to log in or sign up using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, tap on the Register Now button and now you will be taken into the registration page. Just enter your preferred email address within the email address box and then tap on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions. Then tap on the next button and now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So just check the inbox of the email address that you just used while signing up and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given screen and now you will be allowed to enter your password. Type in your desired password and then enter this password once again for confirmation. Then finally click on the register button and now your account has successfully been registered and you can simply use this account credentials to log into your newly created account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Zenless Zone Zero. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.